Hello everyone, let's begin our robotly blockchain weekly news. This week, we have two topics I want to share with you. The first topic is about the CCB introduced its blockchain-based refactoring platform. The second is about the Nikkei to start tokenized its shoes on the lithium platform. So let's begin the first topic. The first topic about the world's second largest bank CCB introduced its blockchain-based refactoring platform. You know, the Chinese construction bank, the CCB, have introduced a new blockchain-powered refactoring platform with a view to reduce major risk in his sphere. Based on recently revealed information, we can make a conclusion about the patient of the second largest bank of asset, the Chinese construction bank (CCB), to blockchain. Sources indicate that CCB have introduced a refactoring platform that is to run totally on its own blockchain. You know, the CCB have its own blockchain system. This platform is aimed to cooperate clients in the business of refactoring, and it goes to improve operating and reduce risk and cost at the same time. Factoring is a funding raise model where invoice from the business are paid by the buyer who are respected by factory company. This enables the business to raise funds and the third party to spread their risk, since a factory company token takes on all the risk associated with its innovation per case. This, of course, comes after CCB had also introduced its secondary version in its international trade blockchain platform, where letters of credit were issued for trade deals, including international factory deals and refactoring deals as well. The blockchain solution have introduced in October and is nicknamed BC Trade 2.0. Sources indicated that the blockchain international trade platform has been a success, and about 40 billion of transactions have been conducted to date. This is a very interesting platform for CCB. Trade have been made digitalized through the implementation of the BC Trade, which is a platform that connected not only one of the biggest banks in China to more than 54 local state-run banks, but also to foreign financial institutions as well. The innovation that the CCB is bringing to the blockchain space is also coming alongside a report that the People's Bank of China, also means PBOC, is an issued blockchain-based bond to a return of about 2.8 billion. Sources indicated that the bonds are issued as loans to small and medium-scale enterprises that are aimed at encourage the development of blockchain technology platform and system within the country. This comes amidst report that the People's Bank of China have announced the plan of testing its digital currency in 2 cities in the country. From all indications, it seems that the Chinese are taking over the decentralized finance (DEFI) space on a global scale. This has also made the Chinese to become the forerunner of the different use case scenario of blockchain technology. You know, there are so many financial banks and other companies use the blockchain technology, and also the Chinese central bank want to make the DCEP. So China have become the forerunner of the different use case for the blockchain technology. It is not as if the rest of the votes have taken a backseat to the numerous applications of the blockchain technology. The Europe have sought to find a common definition of how best to use this new advantage concept to improve not just the field of finance, but also all other fields as well. The United States has also made their position clear on the keep big technology out of finance action, which have already indicated an anti-blockchain stage. However, who will win the blockchain race remain unclear, and innovation is never static. This is some information about the China's construction bank, CCB. Because this platform also is very important, not only in China but in the financial world. Okay, there is also other very important news about Nike. Nike is very famous for his shoes. But Nike to start tokenized its shoes on the Ethereum mechanism limited edition. This is our interesting news. Footwear giant Nike patent shoes that are tokenized as a non-fungible token NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. Sport footwear and apparel company Nike announced it has been given a patent to tokenize its shoes on the Ethereum blockchain. In a document posted on the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office on December 10, Nike started its plan to generate unique IDs and created ERC-721 token for some shoes, doubled crypto kicks. So when buying shoes, people will be able to unlock this token and then link them with your unique owner IDs to confirm ownership. The token will not be used only for representative of our digital shoes, but also for recording and the so-called genotype information of the digital shoes. This information will therefore include the specified attribute, colors, styles, background, and other examples. This patent debate about could supposed enable users to utilize more control over their shoes origin, but also shoes design as well. One example explained in the announcement is the application that enable users to set limit on the members of expect copies of their proprietary shoes that are allowed to be cloned and produced. There are also so-called surrogate feature that let the other use the franchise that allow them to fix shoes design and parent nascent feature to allow third party to take care of the shoes. Also, this is a very important news about the real industry. In world you can find some platform for tokenized for shoes, but this is the first time for Nike to tokenize his patent shoes. So I think this is very interesting to the digital asset. Also, you can find some other information. For example, you can find some information about the Sichuan province. I have told this information in Chinese. More than half of a global Bitcoin hash rate is controlled by one single province in China. This is Sichuan province. But I did not know this information. I have stayed in China for so many times, but I did not know this information. Perhaps next month I will go back to China. I will go to Sichuan to find if this is a true information. Okay, this is some information about the blockchain. And also you can find some information about BN, about WeChain. WeChain official by bank drains hacked, found stolen according to the announcement. And also you can find some other information about Facebook, and some other information giant. Okay, this is today's blockchain rapidly blockchain weekly news. Let's see something about the price of the cryptocurrency. The Bitcoin is lower for 0.07%. The price is 7,101.229. The Ethereum is higher for 0.13%. The price is 142.25. The Ripple is also lower for 0.23%. The price is 0.22. Okay, this is the information of today's blockchain news, also about this weekly news. I think because blockchain and the cryptocurrency also have so many news, so we always can find some interesting information. Okay, have a good weekend. Thank you all.